Welcome to InstantGMP. In this video, we're excited to introduce GMP's DMS, the Virtual Document Management System, designed specifically for FDA-regulated companies, now featuring a responsive design. This module empowers clients to electronically manage controlled documents securely stored in the cloud. As we delve into the document management section, you'll find a comprehensive list of SOPs, each displaying various statuses. These documents have either completed or are undergoing a full GMP workflow. Our user-friendly interface includes a versatile search bar on the right, offering multiple criteria options to locate the required document. Search by document ID, document name, classification type, among others. InstantGMP enables clients to manage documents in two convenient ways: upload or create documents online. Uploading is straightforward. Simply upload your Word document directly into the system. However, editing will be done offline. Creating documents online provides users with the flexibility to edit and format their documents directly within the software. The system meticulously tracks edits, maintaining a comprehensive history of changes and personnel involved. No matter your preferred method of documentation management, InstantGMP provides a robust platform to store and manage your procedures and policies effectively. InstantGMP, your documents simplified. Contact a sales representative today to discover more about our solution. Thank you and have a great day.